Research title: Preferred Learning Style of Students in Sorsogon State University. Introduction: Individuals have their own unique learning methods. These methods are known as preferred learning styles. Researchers are trying to determine the preferences of methods for acquisition of knowledge for many decades because idea of alignment between individuals' preferred style and presentation of the learning materials is very appealing from practitioners' point of view. Like, it is sensible to let learners choose themselves in which modality and format the information material will be offered. A specific learning method might be more attractive than others. According to Drago and Weiner, the four psychological learning styles are visual, oral, read, write, and kinesthetic as they apply to online education. Findings suggest that online students are more likely to have stronger visual and read write learning style. So according to Dragon Rainer, the that online students are the new normal, the visual and read write are the most preferred learning style. This proposed study will help the students to determine the tips for their learning styles in a new normal set of education and to know the most preferred learning styles of the students on Sorsogon State University. So, students and researchers. So, at the end of this research, the students will know the tips of learning styles in a new normal set of education, and the researchers will know the different preferred learning styles and SSU. Objectives of the study. This study will determine the preferred learning style of the students in Sorsogon State University. This will also answer the following specific objectives. So, number 1, what is the preferred learning style? 2, what is the factor that affect the preferred learning style? And 3, what is the most preferred learning style of students in Sorsogon State University? So these three objectives will be answered. Research methodology. This study will utilize the descriptive design. The descriptive research design will be used to present the preferred learning style of college students in Sorsogon State University. So the researcher will use descriptive design. Participants, respondents. From the population of college students, this study will subject the third-year electronics students of SSU using Sloven's formula. So the samples are from the SSU third-year students from electronic using Sloven's formula. The number of respondents were derived with the total number of third-year electronics students, which is 90, and with a 95% confidence level. 73 students is the sample size. This number of respondents is sufficient enough to represent the college students who are taking online classes, for it utilizes 5% standard error of the study. Third-year electronics students of PCCU is the chosen participants because in their field it is much needed to pay attention with the face-to-face laboratory because of the pandemic, how they managed to stay in line with the course that required more practical activities. Data collection method. The study will utilize the data collection method of questionnaire and survey to be distributed to the participants with the structured questions written to determine the preferred learning style of the college students in SSU. In line with this, the study also aimed to know the factors affecting the choosing of preferred learning styles of every student in SSU. The researchers will utilize survey among the respondents involved in the study by conducting online survey forms, and we have to be aware of all the information and there is possible difficulties that there may be throughout this process of data collection. All we gathered the data information from respondents will be used as presentation and intended research. These online forms are modern and best way to conduct survey. So this is all part of our research. Thank you.